Hey everyone, I want to share this book that I made with you from Ciao Bella's 70s collection. It's just so cute with all the little 70s images, and I put together this folio style mini album. So I'm just going to do a little walkthrough of this. So on the front cover, I've cut out some letters from one of the pages. This is using both the pattern paper kit and the collection kit. So I didn't buy any of the extra sheets for embellishments, etc. But I did do a bit of fussy cutting on the patterns paper. So I fussy cut these flowers, and then I just popped this one. I used glossy accents. I'm not sure if you can see that there, to put some accents on the phone, the magazine, just some different areas of this little album. So we're just going to turn it over and just cover up the back here with Feeling Groovy paper. So the main feature for me was this this girl sitting in this chair. So you'll see her, she's in a couple of places. So this just opens up like so. And so on the inside, first in the middle section, this opens up, and then we've got flip open here. So on this side, we have a waterfall. Okay, and then I have some cards in the pockets for extra photos. I left this one to sort of look like Polaroid. So there's spots for photos inside. And then up here on the top, this folds open, and there's a spot for photos here and here. And this is open, so you can just tuck some pictures in back there. Okay, and then over to the right-hand side, this flips open, and we have a little fold out here, so lots of places for photos over here. Folds this way, that way. I'll put this together. And then my favorite part of this whole album is this centerpiece, where I fussy cut my favorite piece of paper. So there's one sheet that has a whole kitchen scene on it. So I fussy cut around each side, and then I mounted it onto my cardstock. And that way I got to keep the scene intact, and then I have this for background for photos. Because I find Ciao Bella paper is pretty heavily patterned, so you can definitely keep a lot of the elements and still use them while being able to have space for photos if you sort of use them in a bit of a creative way. So that's it for this little album. I hope you liked it, and thanks so much for watching.